Draw a straight line for the horizon. Then draw a semicircle for the sun. Half sit behind the line. On both sides, draw simple curved river banks. Now sketch a small boat on the river. Near the sun, draw 2-3 palm trees on the right side length. Add a few small birds flying near the sun. Use the black pen to outline the whole drawing for a neat look. The scene would look like this if it were colored. Our Sunset Village scene is ready. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe for more drawing videos. See you in the next one.